Have you ever faced the frustrating updating failed or publishing failed error in WordPress? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to fix this issue and get your site back on track. Let's dive in. This error usually occurs due to communication problems with the WordPress REST API. It can happen because of incorrect settings, plugin conflicts, or even server-related issues. But the good news is, you don't need to be a developer to fix it. Let's tackle this one step at a time. Step 1. Verify your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent WordPress from communicating with your server. Step 2. Save permalink settings. Navigate to the WordPress admin panel, showing the permalink settings page. Next, check your permalink structure. Go to Settings Permalinks and click Save Changes without making any edits. This refreshes the permalink rules and might resolve the issue. Step 3. Check site health. WordPress has a built-in tool to identify potential issues. Go to Tools Site Health and look for any critical issues related to the REST API or permissions. Resolve any highlighted problems to improve your site's functionality. Step 4. Plugin and theme conflicts. Plugin or theme conflicts are common culprits. Temporarily deactivate all plugins and switch to a default theme like 2023. Then, test if the issue persists. Reactivate plugins one by one to identify the conflict. If a plugin is causing the problem, reach out to its support team for assistance or look for an alternative plugin. Step 5. Check REST API accessibility. Use a browser developer console to check for REST API errors. The REST API is essential for WordPress. Open your browser's developer console and look for REST API-related errors under the Network tab. If you see errors, it might be a server configuration issue. Step 6. Increase PHP memory limit. Edit the wp-config.php file to increase the PHP memory limit. Sometimes, the error is due to insufficient memory. To fix this, edit your wp-config.php file and add the following line. This allocates more memory to WordPress and can resolve the issue. Step 7. Update WordPress and plugins. Outdated WordPress versions or plugins can cause compatibility issues. Always ensure that WordPress's themes and plugins are updated to their latest versions. Step 8. Contact your hosting provider. If none of these steps work, it might be a server issue. Contact your hosting provider and ask them to check for 1. Firewall restrictions on the REST API. 2. Issues with mod_security or other server rules. 3. Any misconfigurations in your hosting setup. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the updating failed or publishing failed error in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.